That office boy wasn't even part of the team, but ended up saving the biggest deal in the company's history. His name was Aditya, a simple boy from a dusty town, armed with a bachelor's degree and fire in his chest. He came to the city with dreams, but dreams don't pay rent. So, he took the only job he could find, office boy, serving tea, carrying files, folding chairs after meetings. The degree in his bag? Useless here. Most people didn't know his name. They called him Chai Boy, Helper, or worse, Invisible. But what no one saw was what happened after hours. When the office lights dimmed and cubicles emptied, Aditya would quietly sit at a corner computer, learning Excel, watching YouTube videos on business analysis, recreating company reports from scratch just to test himself. He never asked for a chance until destiny forced one open. The company had just landed its biggest client ever, a high-stakes project, millions on the line. The task? Prepare a financial report and strategy presentation within 72 hours. Top analysts jumped in, but chaos followed. The data didn't match. Charts were off. Nothing made sense. With just 48 hours left, everyone was scrambling, panicking. Aditya stood at the edge of the meeting room, holding a tray of coffee mugs. He watched the chaos unfold, and then he spoke. "Can I give it a try?" Silence, followed by laughter. You? You think this is about boiling water? Chai banane se time mil to kar lena bhai. But one man in that room didn't laugh. Mr. Sinha, a senior manager, looked at Aditya and saw something others didn't. He said, "Let him try. What's the harm?" That night, Aditya stayed alone in the office. No jokes, no audience, just a laptop, data, and hunger. He cleaned the entire database, built smart, dynamic dashboards, turned boring numbers into powerful stories. And by dawn, he had created the perfect presentation. Next morning, the team came in groggy and anxious, and Aditya slid over a pen drive and said, "This might help." The presentation was loaded on screen. Gasps, silence, goosebumps. Senior managers looked at each other in disbelief. "This is brilliant. Who made this? Wait, the chai guy did this?" Not only was it accepted, it sealed the deal. The client was blown away. And Aditya, he was no longer invisible. In days, he was made junior analyst. In months, promoted again. And within 5 years, Aditya became the branch head of the same office where no one had once remembered his name. He walked into the same boardroom, a little older, a little wiser, tray in hand, cups of tea. He served it with a smile and said, "I never hated making tea. I just hated being treated like that's all I was good for." There are people around you right now, filing papers, delivering food, pouring your tea. You might not see their degrees, their struggles, or their brilliance. But remember, sometimes the one you underestimate the most becomes the one you admire the most. Because when the real test comes, they don't just rise, they shine.